So the food industry faces a number of challenges. So how do we address these challenges in terms of producing food in a sustainable way, making sure that food is healthy, that it's nutritious, that it's safe, that it deals with issues relating to climate change, that it deals with issues relating to things like food miles. So this course is going to give you the innovative tools to deal with these challenges and future challenges to make you really employable for the food industry. The food industry is the largest manufacturing sector in the UK, employing 4 million people and generating around 121 billion annually. In Scotland particularly, the Scottish food and drink is worth around 14 billion each year and accounts for 1 in 5 manufacturing roles. Scotland has 18,000 food and drink businesses which employ over 100,000 people. Studying food science can lead on to a rewarding and exciting career in the food industry. So currently, the food industry does not have people with the knowledge and specialist skills to work in the various areas in the food industry. So the food industry is crying out for graduates with that knowledge and skills to work in areas such as food science and technology, relating to things like being a food scientist, being a food product development technologist or food sensory specialist, or an analytical food scientist who's working in the laboratories to ensure that the food is safe, that it's nutritious, working with environmental health officers and other people to ensure that the food that is being produced out there is meeting the quality standards that we expect and the consumer expects from their food. In essence, in developing this course, we've worked closely with the food industry and with our alumni who are also already in fruitful employment in the food industry to ensure that the knowledge and skills that we are delivering to this course is meeting those requirements of the food industry.
So a lot of our teaching is actually informed by the research projects we carry out with food companies. For example, we've recently developed a new palm fat replacer that is more sustainable and healthier than palm fat, and we use this as a case study when we talk to the students about fat reduction. Our teaching facilities are directly relevant to the food industry and include a food development kitchen where we experiment with new formulations, a food analysis lab where we characterize new ingredients, new products, a pilot scale lab where we process products using industry relevant equipment, a sensory suite where we look at how we perceive flavors, colors, textures, a biochemistry lab where we measure the composition of food, and a microbiology lab where we test the safety of products. So we work in close partnership with the food industry during the course, and that includes factory visits, seminars with industry professionals, student placements at food companies, and as a result, our graduates are in high demand in the industry and the employment rate is really high after graduation.
I'm Sarah and I'm a sensory technologist at the Scottish Centre for Food Development and Innovation. At the Scottish Centre for Food Development and Innovation, we have a team of food technologists, product innovators, nutritionists and sensory scientists. We work closely with the food industry, so we're providing the food industry perspective to the Food Science and Innovation course. We are going to share our expertise with the students. Our team can say firsthand that this course can lead to a rewarding and varied career.
So in year 1, students will get the scientific foundations to develop the knowledge and skills that they require to study food science in years 2, 3 and 4 of the course. We will have a specific module relating to food sustainable systems because we feel food sustainability is such an important issue that is going to have an impact on all our lives. As we go into year 2, 3 and 4, there will be modules relating to food microbiology, food packaging, food processing, food analysis, sensory evaluation, food product development. In year 3, when students have got enough knowledge and skills, they will go and do a placement in the food industry where they can apply this knowledge and skills. They will also in year 4 do a specialist module on food innovation in practice, and they will also do an honours project which they can do either in our specialist facilities at QMU or in collaboration with industry. We're also keen to make sure that food science students have an awareness of nutrition. So there will be modules relating to nutrition in years 2, 3 and 4 of the course.